Hi everybody, I welcome you all. This session I would like to explain about various types of numbers. So now let us discuss briefly about that. First one is natural numbers. Natural numbers are also called as counting numbers. The numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Second one, whole numbers. They are counting numbers with 0. That means it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And the third one is integers. They, they are negative and positive counting numbers including 0. That means 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is the positive line, and -1, -2, -3 and so on. This is the negative line. If you take the line like this is the 0 and this is the positive line and this is the negative line. And the fourth one is even numbers. Fourth one, even numbers. Counting numbers which are divisible by 2 is known as even numbers. That means 0, 2, 4, 6 and so on. 2, 2 by 2, 1. 4, 4 by 2, 2. 6 by 2, 3 is the answer. So that these are called as even numbers. And fifth one, odd numbers. Counting numbers which are not divisible by 2 is known as odd numbers. Those are 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. And seventh one, prime numbers. Prime numbers, the numbers which having exactly two factors. One is itself and another one is 1. Example 3, 5, 2, 7 and so on. These numbers do not have any factors excepting these two. One is itself and one is 1. That means 2 have only two factors. 2 ones are 2 only. 3 also, 3 ones are 3. 5 also, 5 ones are 5. And 7 also, 7 ones are 7. There is no other factors excepting these two factors. Next, eighth one, coprimes. Counting numbers having their HCF is 1. are known as coprimes. For example, 4, 5 and 7, 9, so on. 4, 5, these two numbers do not have any common factor, do not have any highest common factor. They do not consist even factor also. These are known as coprimes. And ninth one, composite numbers. Counting numbers which are not prime are known as composite numbers. Example, 4, 6, 8, 9 and so on. Next one, rational numbers. Rational numbers written in P by Q format. That means we can see with an example. 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. 2, that means we can write as 4 by 2. 4 by 2, P by Q form. Like that 3, 6 by 2. 8, 4, 8 by 2. 5, 10 by 2. Here 0, 1 also there. We can write that. Irrational numbers can be written in P by Q form. Rational numbers can be written in P by Q form and irrational numbers can be written in P by Q form. For example, root 2, root 3 and so on. These numbers we can write in P by Q form. And the last one is real numbers. Real numbers includes rational, irrational integers and so on. Example, 0, 1, -1 and so on. Let us see the symbol for each numbers. Natural numbers represented as big N. Whole numbers W, caps W. Integers represented as Z. At last, real numbers as big R. Now practice the exercise on the various types of numbers. Take some numbers and practice it.